folks, we're in the pub. I don't know if you can hear this or not, but we're in the pub. Face stretching.
I don't know what I'm doing.
My shoulder's sore.
I feel like I'm still sitting on the bike. I'm in that position. I need to sit back forward. I don't know.
No, it is. It's a different thing, you know. We're used to the adventure stuff, and it is different. But we've just had a bit of a talk off camera then. Now, Faye was saying, because we was on about the Africa Twin, and Faye was saying, are we on about that just because of the looks? Now, I suppose we are. I think Faye is more than me, because she was on about to me, are you on about the Africa Twin for the looks? I said, well, yeah, but I think you are more.
Oh no, I am. I think it looks.
Faye likes that motocross type looking thing.
More sexy than the GS.
Faye's got that. Faye likes the African because of that motocross look. You know, it looks like it's doing 1,000,000 miles an hour stood still.
And finance.
And it's £7 cheaper. Not be sniffed at that, is it? £7.
But it's the Honda creative thing. I like Honda do a lot more creative stuff, don't they, with their gear?
Yeah, it's just the look at it. You know, it's like you've got to look at things. What are we doing on it? Where are we going on it? And how would each bike compare? Now, luckily we've had a GS, we've had a Cross Tourer. The Cross Tourer for me, I'd prefer the engine in the Cross Tourer than the BM, but there's not much in it. The comfort, as again, not much in it. I actually enjoyed the comforts on the Africa Twin. You really sit in it, and it's great.
And they both feel dead safe.
Yeah.
I'm proper safe on the back of both of them.
The GS, obviously, you get all the creature comforts, don't you, with the hill starts, keyless. Keyless, I'm not really asked about. That's just a gimmick. That's a solution for a problem that doesn't really exist in it. I don't really understand keyless on a bike. Obviously, you're gonna have the times when it is good, like, but I don't really. That's not one of the things that get involved. That hill start's all right. Also, get your cruise control and that, and like the suspension modes doesn't interest me. The one we had a preload adjuster.
It's all just gimmicks, and you're just talking.
No, it's not gimmicks. It's just something that makes life easier. But to be honest, as most people who ride in for more than a year and ride a lot of miles usually get it in one setting and leave it there. Nearly everyone I've spoken to says that, and we did same. It's all right playing at first, but mainly we're 9 times out of 10 we're 2 up. We've always got a back box on with stuff in. Now again we've got luggage on. So to me, I always have it set up 2 up with luggage, and it just stays like that, and it's fine.
After today, I'm like, I need a back box, but I don't. Today, I kind of like that freedom of not having the back box on, which if you've got the Africa Twin, you don't have the back box on, it's going to feel pretty free, innit? For me.
Yeah, Faye's had a backpack on today. And obviously on GSX she's had a backpack on, and she's not been that bad with it.
I've still been able to film on the back.
It's what you can carry on it. I don't know. I think, to be honest, I think if you've got the facility for the back box, you leave it on nowadays. I wouldn't have done, back in the day I wouldn't have done. And to be honest, if we was going proper off-road, I don't think we would. If we was going to Spain, I think we'd take all 3 boxes off and Faye just wear a bag on her back.
A weekend, do you mean?
Yeah. No, if it was abroad,
and
we had the hotel and we was going off-road, you'd leave the boxes in the hotel and... I have this all the time, folks, honestly, all the time. No,
we're going out for the day then?
Yeah, you're going out for the day, but you'd tuck your boxes over, leave the boxes, you put a bag on your back, bits and bobs in it, bit of food, camera here and that, you don't really wear much, and then you're alright with that. Bikini. Honestly,
keep it real.
Bikini. And I'll put me mankini in it.
Scary.
That's
proper scary.
Yeah, the world's not ready for that
yet. Let's not do that.
The world is not ready for that. Oh, got me. I've just actually showed you with that.
Dear me.
Pointed like that. No, I've got my Nicky Hayden one. Rest in peace, El Pal. One of my favourite riders, Nicky Hayden. No longer with us through a push bike accident of all things. You race bikes and you get killed by a bloody push bike. What's all that about?
So I'm happy to be back on the bike today.
Yeah, honestly it was.
It felt really good.
By the time I get home, we'll have done best part of 100 miles, and it was alright. 100 miles.
And I feel like I've done 300 miles.
Feels like we've done a lap of Wales. But no, it's good to be back out. It is good to be back out. Bit of food for thought with stuff, but we've got some test rides coming up now, so hopefully the DCT one next week. Got to take a 2018 GS Adventure out. We'll have a go with that.
What have I been asking for?
Faye's been on about getting a test ride on the Honda Gullwing.
And badgering the Honda.
Yeah. And he's doing his best to get us a test ride on the Honda Gullwing. To be honest, I fancy it. Just no intentions in it. Because he said the DCT one is nearly £30,000. 30,000.
Hence why.
That's 30,000. That's just ridiculous, isn't it? I know John, the fella that I'm going to Holland with, his BMW GTL was 27 grand. I don't know. I just couldn't see me spending that on a bike. Probably could, like, couldn't see it.
Only if you've won the lottery, like. Any other bikes you want us to test ride? Just let us know.
I have this all the time, folks, honestly.
Don't know what you're talking about.
Can't wait to watch this back and see this. No, seriously, so it's developing now, isn't it? So he's going to send us some figures through anyway, Richard from Honda. We've already spoke to Kurt at, is it Kurt or Kirk? Kirk at BMW.
K-I-R-K.
I know how you spell Kirk.
Just thought to let you know.
Yeah, so we've already spoke to Kirk at BMW, so he just said give him a couple of days notice and he'll get us an adventure for test. And I think, to be honest, we need to ride the Africa Twin first and get the pantomime of the Africa Twin over with before the normality of the GS, if you know what I mean. Because basically on the GS it does everything for you, and the Africa Twin's all bloody blue and white and all that gold wheels. And
This is my character. It's all about me. Colourful, exciting,
you know what?
Adventurous.
She's just said to me, you're not getting the Africa Twins for the looks, are you? I said, no, you are. And she went, oh, am I? Yes, you are. There's only you that said that. It was you that...
No, it's not that. It's the label of the GS I worry about. It's the label of BMW.
What, on the customer service that's
I'm not
unbelievably good?
denying that. It's pennies.
It's what?
The pennies.
Yeah, but the finance is no different, is it?
No, I know, you're true. The finance, the PP is
The PCP thing is to be honest, there's not much in it. And then when you're looking at that, you're thinking, why wouldn't you get a GS? But then, I don't know. We are waffling on a bit now anyway, so we'll leave you. We'll love you and leave you.
and leave you.
We will catch you next week on a test ride, and we'll see what's what there. We'll go from there. So for now, let's have a drink.
Bye.
And we'll see you later. Ta-ra, folks.